Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use freeze pane in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. Go to the view tab and here in Windows group have a freeze panes option. Just click on this drop down arrow and here the three option is available. The freeze panes, freeze top row and freeze first column. So let's see the one by one. If you want to freeze the both rows and column and select the cell below and the right of what you want to freeze, then click the freeze panes. Okay. So I select here the cell and here I'm going to freeze the column and row also. Okay. So I select this first cell of this quantity, then go to the freeze pane option and click on the freeze pane to both freeze. Okay. Here you can see the one line here showing. Okay. And for row and here the one line is showing for column. So these two column is freeze. Just scroll the sideway. I just scroll, you can see it's freeze. And when I scroll down, you can see the first row also freeze. Okay. So this way you can use the first option to freeze row and column both. Okay. So let's see the 4 seconds. So first I go to the view tab and click on the freeze pane and click on the unfreeze first. Okay. And the second option is freeze top row. Okay. So just freeze the top row. I select the cell any here and again go to the freeze pane and click on the freeze top row only. You can see only here the line showing, not here anywhere for column, only freeze top row. When I scroll down, the top row is freeze. Okay. Again, I go to the freeze pane and click on the unfreeze the pane. Okay. Now third option is freeze first column. Okay. So I just click on the freeze first column. See the first column is freeze. Okay. When you scroll down, you can see when you scroll down sideway and you can see the first column is freeze. Okay. So this is a way you can use the freeze pane option in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.